In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Hubstaff desktop app, whether you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or doing a quick troubleshooting reset. Signing out is straightforward and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly and give you a few helpful notes along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Hubstaff desktop application. You can launch it from your applications list on your computer, your taskbar or dock if you've pinned it, or by searching for it by name. Once the app opens, give it a second to load your dashboard. If you've been tracking time, you'll likely see your current project and status on the main screen. Keep in mind that signing out will stop any active timers and end activity capture immediately, and the app will attempt to sync your most recent data as it closes your session. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the app window for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. Depending on your screen size and the version of the app, this icon may appear as 3 vertical dots. If your window is very small, maximize it so the controls are visible. On some layouts, the 3 dots may sit near your profile area or alongside other quick actions, but they will still be in the right side corner. Click the 3 dots to open the menu. You'll see a few options related to your account and app preferences. From that list, choose Sign Out. This option specifically disconnects your account from the app on this device. It's different from closing or quitting the app, which can leave you signed in for the next time you open it. If your app briefly displays a small notice or spinner, that's normal. It's finishing any final syncs and clearing your session. After you select Sign Out, the app will return to the login screen. You'll recognize it by the fields for your credentials and any organization selection you normally see when first launching the app. At this point, you are fully signed out. You can safely leave the app on this screen, close it, or hand the device to someone else who needs to sign in with their own account. If you don't immediately see the 3-dot menu, try resizing the window or ensuring you're on the main app view rather than a settings panel. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and complete.